Hi, I'm Ryan, and we're going to be taking a look at the woven rope outdoor sofa from Pamapic, and we're going to do a general assembly here of this beautiful set, show you how it works and how easy it is to assemble. So the first thing we're going to do is set up, the first instruction is to set up one of the tables. So we're going to start with table 1. So you will get these in 3 different boxes or more, depending on which set you get. And they come very well packed, very well packed.
Huh. Well, that's funny. It jumped right to box 2 and didn't even... This one's done.
Well, you have to put the back.
Oh. Done. Just need the seats.
The seats are over there.
These? Yeah. No joke. No joke.
This is a high quality fabric, and as well as the framing is very high quality.
There's a lot of packaging, but...
You need 1 person to assemble and 3 people to unassemble.
But, I mean, I kid you not, assembly is so easy. These little footers. Okay.
It does come with a 1-year warranty. It's toolless, so it does have actually the tool you need with it. So it's very easy to set these up, and so we're going to set this up now and enjoy using it. If you have any questions or concerns, comments, post them below the video.